Let's explain the wiring method of this driver. On the surface of the driver, there is a description. There is a label for the wiring method. The label on it clearly indicates the connection method. The DC input terminal is from the switch of the power supply. The output voltage is connected here. The output is connected to the laser pump. Connected here, the laser pump. Just connected directly. Then, what needs to be noted here is the plus and minus. Plus is positive, minus is negative, and plus and minus cannot be reversed. And the input and output cannot be connected incorrectly. Input is where the power comes in, and the output is connected to the pump. You can't connect these two places. If you connect it wrong, if you connect the input to the pump, then the pump is connected to the output input here. It's reversed, then the driver will be burned. The key point is this place. This place. It has two wiring methods. One is mainly for manual use. This way is manual. Why do we use manual? Because many people, for testing or modification, and others don't need to be controlled by software. This method can be used. That is to say, automate the switch mechanically. Travel switch. Let the stroke switch control the switch. So the power can be adjusted by it. So this method is more suitable for semi-automatic. The wiring method is very simple. There are only 4 wires. Red wire to 5 volts, black wire to ground. The gold D and plus 5 volts is a voltage output by the driver to power the module. As for the others, these 2 wires. The green wire is the switch that controls the on and off. To control on and off, which is the stroke switch, is a switch for controlling on and off. It's like a dead switch. Then the PWM plus is controlled by this line. The last one, it is controlled by the PRM signal generator. Outputs a frequency duty cycle to control the frequency of the driver. To achieve power adjustment. So, generally, these 4 wires are enough. There are manual and semi-automatic modes. These 4 wires. PWM plus on and off. Ground, 5 volts. These 4 wires. So, if it's automated, only 3 wires are needed. Which 3 wires are they? Is ground and PWM plus. Grounding is connected to automation. The power supply of the laser cutting control card. On and off usually connect to the positive power supply of the control card. PWM plus is a duty cycle signal from the laser cutting control card. Is a duty cycle signal and a signal. So, for the automation, just connect these 3 wires. Okay, that's it.